In DGC you can get any of the remote control airplane you want, and helicopter. We already saw the videos about the helicopters. You can get any airplane, remote control airplane that you want. We have from ArtTech, we have the classical trainer, the Cessna 3 channels. We have the most sold one, the Su-27 Warrior, with 2 ducted fans of 400, very powerful one. We have the new one, the throw and catch Jetiger with 1 powerful 600. And we have also in the new ones, we have the Blue Angels, the F-18C, 1 powerful ducted fan, and is 1000 millimeters long, wingspan of 686. That's from ArtTech side. Now let's go to the Cessna side. We have also, besides the trainer from ArtTech, we have 4 channels Cessnas with the 180, the 182, and the 206, that is the elite FMS Cessna by Famous. You can check all our videos in our DGC TV channel about each of those airplanes. And from Guanli we have the Mirage 2000, the Catalina double propelled cargo airplane, and we have A-10, the tank bomber with 2 ducted fans engines. That's what we have for you. Everything that you need for remote controls is in DGC, so get it today. All these remote control helicopters that you have the chance to access through our shops in retail, bullpack, wholesale, from the best brands and from all the choices. I mean, you can buy 1 by 1, 5, 10, 100, from 3 channels to 4 channels. This Apache here, this double horse, or the ArtTech Eagle Eye, another 4 channels, the Walkera 38, or the 6 channels Hughes 300 by ArtTech, the Falcon 3D, the special Falcon 3D, and every one of them will include this trainer here. So get it today in any of the Dragon Group China websites. You know, we have bestlotcorner.com, China por catálogo. We have dragongroupchina.com, the shops. So that's what you have new for this season that we didn't did before. Is all about remote control helicopters. So order yours today.